Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Polk Audio PSW505 12-inch powered subwoofer. Deep bass impact, distortion-free sound up to 460 watts, and easy integration with home theater systems. Available in black. This monster sub has over 3,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.2 out of 5. And if the 12-inch sub seems a little much for your needs, also check out Polk's 10-inch sub. They do make a quality speaker. Get heart-thumping music with deep, powerful bass. Polk's 12-inch Dynamic Balance Woofer sounds better because it's built better. Make your movies, music, and sports experience thrilling. It's also easy to integrate with existing systems, and a frequency response of 25 to 125 Hz, so it can hit those low notes. And when Godzilla walks on screen, you're gonna feel it. Now let me share with you bass heads a quick Q&A that might be helpful. Question is, can I set the gain on this to 100, or will it be too boomy, or will it blow? If it will, can you tell me the best gain setup? I want a lot of bass, but no boom. And the helpful answer. Thanks to the design of the ports of this subwoofer, you don't get focused vents of air from one port. So even when cranked up, it won't experience obnoxious booming. Don't get me wrong, at 100% it's a pretty excessive amount of bass that can wash out your other speakers, but like others said, your mileage may vary. Just remember, your room has its own acoustics, so do the, quote, subwoofer crawl to discover the best placement for the woofer. Alright, well that about sums it up. So order your Polk Audio 12-inch powered subwoofer today, you're gonna love it.